Welcome to another video on my driving robot discovery based on the fischertechnik TXT controller. The rest of the robot is also fischertechnik. Controller is running embedded Linux, and when running the user community firmware, it's programmable in Python. Camera, active sonar, two front sensors, lamp, and a propeller which shows if the algorithm, the program, is still running. Pointed towards a background with two objects in front of it. And just that's where the camera and the sonar comes in, and in the end, maybe hopefully also the sensors. Last time, to my surprise, pleasant surprise, it turned out to be working, although the images the camera took weren't very good. But let's see how far we can get this time. Right, then the screencast part, where you can see three terminals. If I manage to log in into the controller, which is now running on a battery pack, then you will see here some source code, here commands, and here you will see if everything works okay, camera images. But first let's see if this works out nicely. Okay, changing the IP address, and then still not working. Okay, then let's connect, which works insofar that with the last video on the walking robot, I didn't even get the password. I went just straight in, to my surprise. So what will happen now? I'm afraid. Oh, it works. Very nice. So why didn't it happen all those times that I got stuck at this position, at this way? I don't know. Another thing to check. See, and that is another difference. With the walking robot, I got here without setting the date at the correct date. Now I have to set the date. So by now it is December, and this sequence is strange to me because where I live in the Netherlands, we have first the date, then the month, and then the year, not vice versa. Anyway, so this is correct. So this is the code. What I'm interested in is how this part behaves. Grabbing a picture. Because if you watch the latest video on the walking robot, you will see that it doesn't go according to plan at this point. Not quite, at least. Anyway, let's run, because that is what I want to do. And for proper effect, let me put it backwards a little bit. If it starts to run, I'm going to relocate to the floor. Way more space there. Let's go. propeller is going. What's empty? Something is empty. Something is not quite according to plan. "13 centimeters, not quite sure if that's correct. Okay, what is empty? Okay, camera action is empty. That is all right. So, despite me not changing anything of the algorithm, it doesn't run somehow. Too bad. So, what's going on? Right, so trying an error on the display. I put it to the default screen. Let me show you. At least I hope I can show you. I have to use the VNC server. Then remove this bit. Okay, so this point was showing the user community or the community's firmware icon, and it didn't do anything, as you could see. Now things are different, so let me move this over here. Wait a bit, and I also noticed that oh, that's no good. Why is that happening? That is even worse than I expected, because usually it just flashes and gets back to the screen, and that's not happening now. And mind you, this is a very different cursor. And nothing is happening. Not good. Do I get the result here? Because as you can see here, I was asked for the password to send an image. So here, let me go exit for a moment. That's not good. There's no image for today, which is very unusual if I get the password. Okay, strange thing happening. What does happen when I press this button? And let me show you on camera. Yes. Now I'm back. Although this has crashed. And this has crashed. Okay, that's not good. So you can see that things don't always go as planned. And yes, it's off. Okay. Once again. Yes. Yet another attempt. Camera connected. Much better. Yes. 25 kilobytes. Not that impressed. See, now it runs. So now I should have an image. Let me. Yes, that's the one. See, that's the image. And I end it here because I'm now moving to the floor for much more space. So, move to the floor. And this is the entire picture. But let's run again. See what happens this time, with keeping in mind that the trajectory has changed in the past. So I'm very curious what happens. That's not good. Once again. Oh, that's no good. No good at all. I have to intervene with the firmware again. And it has crashed again. Nope, not yet. Now it can. Again. So, what's stable? Why is it stable? And what's not stable? Again. Yeah, password. Oh yes. And that's no good. That is good. Nice to hear that sound. Yeah, lamp, okay. But what is happening? A lot of bad images. Oh, now it's turning. Another corrupt image. And it all goes very, very slowly. And another attempt to turn to the right. And I can go on and on. I have no idea how long it will take. Okay, let's take the last one. So that is 1356. That is that one. Very nice. And now I want the result image, which is empty. It comes out empty. No such, oh, no such, okay. Which is the previous one? Last one is 55, 57, 12. Very bad image. Okay. That is a very bad image, but now at least I've got everything running again, which is quite a relief. So I have a few problems. Why does it crash here? Why does this not function? Now it does function. Questions I can't answer just like that. Anyway, I'm over time for this video, so I hope next time some other nice things. This wiring is still in place. Nothing has changed. And I'm still kept with riddles. With this quite remarkable result, I say thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter, and please support my channel, my blog, my website via either becoming a patron or via PayPal and IBAN or IBAN. Please visit my website, which is listed under this video. This is going to be continued, obviously. For now, stay safe, have a nice day. Bye.